Greetings, Mark Brown here. We're going to be looking at how we can actually create a monthly budget right in Excel, but you don't know where to start. So I'm going to use the template to give you an idea how you can do that. Alright, so right here on the desktop, you can right click. Then you see this little dialog box. You're going to go down, notice new, go across and go down. So this is Selfies Excel. So you want to click on that. Now when it appear here, you can double click or you can right click and come right here and click on open. Yes. So now it almost open. I'm going to show you exactly what. You notice this is a blank. So maybe since you don't know exactly where to start. So I'm going to take you to file. You're going to click on that. You're going to click right here on new. Now when you click on new, this is what exactly what happened. Right here, if you notice, these are some different types of template. I'm going to scroll up right here. If you notice right here, personal for the ear, different type of stuff right here. Alright, so you're going to scroll up. Alright, if you notice right here, overview, notice this one. It's a monthly budget. I'm going to click on that one. But if you notice this itself, if I click, it carry back. If I click here, it carry forward. So I'm going to click on create. So definitely this is the template that I wanted to use. But if you notice, it come up. But if you notice down at the bottom right here, it give you a summary. So this itself is like a summary. So it tell you the estimate, the actual, and the difference. So if you come right down here, say income. You click on income, you notice it show you income, estimate the actual. Right? If you notice right here, it's a personal expense. Notice it show your wages. So the only thing that you have to do is just move this and put the original wages right there and all that right here. The benefit, you just move this and put on like already. Right up here, you can just click right here and put in the name. You come right here, you can just click and just move it. You notice operating expense. Now when you look right here, so now summary, right? So very important. Or you can actually do that. You can actually change it. Let me scroll up some more. Just the same. Alright, if you notice right here, what it literally show right here, you notice the expense, the amount, and all of that. So if you come right here and you click and you change this, definitely you see this move just the same. Alright, so if you look at this particular section, but if you notice, as I said, if you click right here, it actually difference already changes again. So very important on that particular stuff here, where you can actually use the template right there. So very important, or you can use the template. Notice the operating, right? So notice the little advertisement. This is what notice. Notice the discount cash and all of that. So as I said, this itself is very important that I can use it. When I click right here, if you move the figure, it will change right here. So this itself is a monthly budget, which I can actually start with. So when I get familiar with it now, then I can create the one in a blank document if you wanted to create. So if I scroll up like this, you notice insurance, you notice it give you everything right here, office supply. So some additional, if you don't need this, you just click and move that out of the place. Alright, just scroll again and go down. You know, see your tax expense, your supply, your telephone, your utilities. Anything you don't want, you just click and take out and put exactly what you want. So this is exactly how we actually go about starting a monthly budget right here in Excel. So thanks for watching. See you